Dear friends, Assalamu alaikum, good morning, and have a wonderful blessed day. This is Mukarram Ali. Warmly welcome you on HM Tech Solutions official YouTube channel. Again, I am here with new and interesting video, and we create purely educational and informative videos, especially for you. And our aim is to educate you, share, and transfer our experience and knowledge with all you guys to educate you. And today I show you how you can program ZK100 walkthrough metal detector gate, and I show you how you can adjust all the menu levels including sensitivity and audio levels. You can adjust and program the ZK100 walkthrough metal detector gate. Before starting the video, to support and appreciate our effort, please subscribe our channel, give us likes, share and comment on our video, and must press the bell icon to watch more videos like this in the future, and keep in touch with us. And now you can also follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram and TikTok also. Now come to the video and I show you how you can program our today video, and I'll show you how you can program ZK100 walkthrough metal detector gate. Come to the video. Now you can press this select switch for the programming mode. You press this. Now you can see 1 2 3 4 here on the display. Again press this select switch. This is P000. If you want to change, this is the password. You can change from here, from up and down. Again press this select switch. This is D003. This is number of alarms. This is the menu of number of alarms. Here are three settings here, 1 2 3. You can set according to your choice. Now again you can press this select switch 1-79. This is the min sensitivity or base sensitivity level of this walkthrough gate, and you can increase or decrease from these up and down buttons, and you can set this sensitivity level in between 0 to 100, anywhere according to your requirement. And you can check the intensity of this level on the real indicator. The light, as you can see, blinking over here on the front, this is a real indicator. And again I press this select switch. This is F-13. This is the operating frequency of this walkthrough gate. You can change if you have any frequency issue with this gate. Again press this select switch. This is 000, and now your setting is save now. And this is the video of today, and if you like our video, please subscribe our channel, like, share, comment, and must press the bell icon.